Hi everyone, in today's video, we're going to talk about natural remedies for insomnia. If you're someone who's been struggling with getting a good night's sleep, you're in the right place. Insomnia can have a serious impact on your overall health, but luckily, there are some natural remedies that can help you sleep better. So, let's get started. 1. Create a sleep-conducive environment. The first thing you need to do is to create a sleep-conducive environment, and this includes making a few changes in your bedroom. First, make sure the room is dark, quiet, and cool. Second, invest in good quality bedding that makes you feel comfortable. Third, remove all distractions such as electronics, including your phone, laptop, and TV. 2. Establish a sleep schedule. It's essential to establish a sleep schedule as it helps your body know when it's time to sleep and when it's time to wake up. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, including weekends. 3. Practice relaxation techniques. If you can't sleep due to stress, then practicing relaxation techniques can help alleviate the tension. Try doing some deep breathing exercises, meditation, or yoga before bed to calm your body and mind. 4. Use aromatherapy. Essential oils such as lavender, chamomile, and peppermint have been known to help promote relaxation and induce sleep. You can add them to your bath, use them in a diffuser, or even apply them topically with a carrier oil. 5. Consider herbal supplements. Certain herbs such as valerian root, passion flower, and chamomile have been used for centuries to help with sleeplessness. You can find these herbs in supplement form or as teas. 6. Try natural sleep aids. Melatonin, a naturally occurring hormone in the body, can help regulate sleep-wake cycles. You can find it as a supplement in most drugstores. Magnesium is another supplement that can help with relaxation and sleep. 7. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. Caffeine and alcohol can significantly disrupt your sleep patterns, so it's best to avoid them altogether, especially close to bedtime. So, those are the natural remedies for insomnia that you can try. Remember, getting a good night's sleep is essential for your overall health and well-being, and these remedies can help you achieve that. Make sure to try them out and see what works best for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness content. Sleep tight, and I'll see you in the next video.